See, a question is given, fx is equals to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2 when x is not equals to 2. A, when x equals to 2. We need to find the value of A. It is given us that the given function is continuous at x equals to 2. Function is continuous at x equals to 2. So limit of x tends to 2. Fx must be equals to f2. The value of f2 is given as A. Limit of x tends to 2. Fx means x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. It will be limit of x tends to 2, x minus 2, x plus 2 upon x minus 2. X minus 2 to x minus 2 cancel. Now x we can put 2. So it will be 2 plus 2. That is 4 is the value of A. A very easy but understanding question I have taken to make you understand better in the revision the concept of continuity. Whereas now we are going for the differentiation. So differentiation, many questions we have done, and this is one of the very good and important topic also. I suppose all of you are revising such questions also. So a question I'm taking is, again I'm saying you, similar questions will be asked in board examination also. Y is equals to x to the power x plus sin x to the power cos x. We can suppose y is equals to u plus v. Y is equals to u plus v. Here u is equals to x to the power x, taking log on both the sides. Log u is equals to log x to the power x. Log u, now differentiation 1 upon u du upon dx equals to first function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. So du upon dx will be equals to u times, and the value of u is x to power x 1 plus log x. Now v is equals to sin x to the power cos x, taking log on both the sides. Log v is equals to cos x log sin x. Differentiation log v will be 1 upon v dv on dx will be equals to cos x. Differentiation of log sin x will be 1 upon sin x, then the differentiation of sin x will be cos x plus second function log cos x, and the differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x. Its value I'm writing with the black pen over here. So it will be dv upon dx equals to v times mean sin x to power cos x after this bracket cos x into cos upon sin cot x minus sin x log cos x. Now the final answer will be, we have written y is equals to u plus v. dy upon dx will be equals to du upon dx plus dv on dx. Now du upon dx, from the previous slide we need to see, it is x to power x 1 plus log x. Plus dv upon dx, again we need to take from the previous slide, it is sin x to power cos x cos cot x minus sin log cos x. Sin x to power cos x cos cot x minus log sin x into sin x. This will be the final answer of this question. Now another question I'm taking. It is xy equals to sin x. This is proving one question, so we need to prove y double dash second derivative plus 2 upon x y dash plus y equals to 0. First function differentiation of second dy on dx plus second function y differentiation of first will be x. Cos x will be sin x. Now again we need to, sorry, sin x will be cos x. It's my mistake. Further differentiation, x differentiation of y will be d2y upon dx square plus dy on dx. The differentiation of x will be 1. The differentiation of y will be dy on dx equals to cos x will be minus sin x. The value of sin x also we can put x into y. So it will be x y double dash plus 2 y dash equals to minus xy. I'm dividing whole equation by x. So it will become y double dash 2 upon x. When I'm dividing with x, it will come 2 upon x y dash. This I'm taking this side, so plus divided by x, x will cancel, y will be equals to 0. This only was supposed to be proved. So it's also a very good and important question. In differentiation, mainly proving one questions are coming, but it's not compulsory always proving questions will be coming. Other questions could also come. Y equals to 3x sine 3x plus cos 3x. This is the given function. We need to prove this x y double dash plus 9x y equals to 2 y dash, sorry, y dash. This you need to prove. One more question. Y is equals to cos 3 cos inverse x. Then prove that y double dash is equals to 24x. These are very good questions. Just I want to take you to the questions which are making the chapter little more interesting. One last question. Under root x upon y plus under root y upon x equals to 6. We need to prove dy on dx equals to y upon x. So these are the 3 questions you will be doing as homework. So now differentiation, many more questions you will be able to do, but still we need to do now next topic also. So we are going to revise few questions from applications of derivative also. In the coming class, Saturday also, we will be going for the revision of different questions. If you want to discuss some of the questions, you can share with me the questions. I'll solve them also in the class. So please keep practicing, then only you will be having some doubts and problems. See, a very good question is from tangent and normal I'm taking. It is given us y is equals to under root 4x minus 3. Find the point at which tangent to the curve this has its slope, tangent has slope 2 by 3. So first of all, we are calculating dy on dx. 1 by 2 under root 4x minus 3. Now differentiation of 4x will be 4. Minus 1 will be 0. Now this will be the slope of the tangent, which is given us as 2 by 3. So slope in both the cases will be equal. So 4 by 2 directly I'm writing 2 upon under root 4x minus 3 equals to 2 by 3. 3 is equals to under root 4x minus 3 squaring. 9 is equals to 4x minus 3. 9 plus 3, 12 is equals to 4x. That gives x equals to 3. When we'll put the value of x into the given function, we will be getting the value of y. So the value of y will be under root 4 into 3 minus 3 minus 1. So it will be 12 minus 3, 9 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore, the point at which tangent is parallel to the line whose slope is this is 3, 2. At this point, if on this curve we are making the tangent, then that will be parallel to the line whose slope is 2 by 3. It's a good question. Similar to these questions are asked in the board examination also. Now we are taking one more question. See, it is from NCERT. 2 times it has come in the board examination also. Y is equals to x